Are you confident that there will be a cut this year in interest rates?
I'm confident that short of another major shock, we have reached a peak. Okay? Now, we have to stay restrictive for as long as necessary to make sure that we get to that state where we are all saying, okay, confident that it is at 2% medium term. I know some people argue that maybe we are overshooting, maybe we're taking risks. I think the risk would be worse if we went too fast and had to come back to more tightening, because we would have wasted all the efforts that everybody has put in the last 15 months.
But this would be, again, economically, or also the trust in central banks? If you get this wrong, does it hurt the credibility?
Credibility matters, let's face it. When we say we will get to 2% medium term and this will happen in the medium term as we define it, if people believe in that, and they should, because we will do it, it matters. It is a component in the sort of chemistry that determines inflation going forward.
And again, so the timing is quite fluid, but there seems to be a majority on the Governing Council that expected probably by the summer, if not in the summer.
You know, and you've talked to some of them, they have spoken recently, and each of them has their view, which I respect completely. We generally coalesce towards the decisions that we make on the basis of data. Some of them have their local domestic data. They have their respective inflation rates, which are different from one country to the other in the euro area. Where, if you look at Portugal, if you look at Germany, it's going to be different, obviously. But it's their job to say, well, it's likely that. I would say it's likely too, but I have to be reserved, because we are also saying that we are data dependent and that there is still a level of uncertainty and some indicators that are not anchored at the level where we would like to see them.